And complaints this evening from residents of Port Royal that a pipeline which takes water to their community is in need of urgent attention. But the National Water Commission says it is working to correct the problem. Kirk Wright has the details.
The winds have subsided now, but days ago, this pipeline that takes water to Port Royal took a fierce battering from the waves crashing against the shore. Over time, natural disasters and the elements of nature have exposed the pipeline, making it more susceptible to damage. Recently, it was ruptured by the waves, leaving Port Royal dry for days. But Alan Ridgway, a resident, says the problem is a long-standing one.
This has been happening for many, many years. I've lived here, I was born here.
Businesswoman Tanya Prawl says the effects have been costly.
Every day I have to order a truck of water.
Another Port Royal resident says it's hampering the care he gives to a relative.
Well, for me personally, I take care of my grandaunt, and it's very difficult to take care of a 95-year-old when there's absolutely no water in the house, as you can imagine, you know. So it can create a lot of health problems.
So the broken pipe was repaired about 2 p.m. today, and the engineers on site told us that water would return to the community 2 hours later. So we came here to find out from the residents if that's any consolation for them.
In a day or two, whenever the sea gets rough again, the same thing is going to happen all over again. So until they correct the problem, patching it and fixing it, putting it back exactly where it is in the water, it's not going to resolve the issue.
The National Water Commission says it plans for a permanent fix.
What we're going to do is ultimately relocate those pipes, and the tendering/contractual process to deal with that is well underway. However, as a short-term measure, we've done some shoring, which is using some boulders from the sea, which will be buffers against the pipes as a means of protecting them from the erosion.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.